Redmond Fire and Rescue starting a new mental wellness program thanks to a local grant. Liam Gibler looks at the important resource for first responders.
Unfortunately, one of the things about first responders is we help people, we don't seek help. So having built-in people to visit with each other really helps remove that load.
The $9,000 grant from St. Charles Health to Redmond Fire and Rescue will go to a peer support program for first responders.
Our firefighters go often on traumatic and very emotional incidents, and over the years those can accumulate. Peer support is designed that firefighter paramedics recognize those changes early while they're still very treatable.
Every year we actually have a handful of different grant priorities that we focus on. This year now addressing loneliness and social isolation.
The program will utilize training sessions for mental health experts and experienced first responders who understand the circumstances faced by staff at Redmond Fire and Rescue.
I don't think the community really stops or understands the depth of maybe mental trauma that first responders are exposed to. People's worst day are things that we go to all the time, and sometimes it's hard not to take that home.
By teaching peer support, the department hopes to catch signs of behavioral change early.
What behavioral health changes might look like is just somebody not being themselves. In a group setting like we often have in a fire station like this with 10 and 12 firefighters, a trained peer support member might notice and just have initiate a conversation to check in and make sure a coworker, fellow firefighter is doing okay.
We're kind of on the cusp of our society as first responders changing in general and understanding this is something that needs to be looked at and needs to be fixed. So that's going to be an exciting thing.
The grant to Redmond Fire and Rescue is part of a bigger mission by St. Charles to support the community. Today, St. Charles announced $100,000 donated to 16 organizations across Central Oregon this year. Liam Gibler, News Channel 21.
Coming up, since